Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add circular, animated widgets on lock screen. First step is to go to App Store and download Top Widget app. Once the app is downloaded, then click on Open. Go to Lock Screen. Scroll down and choose the widget here. You can remove the background and choose any widget you want. Click on Add to My Widgets so the widget is added. I am choosing for widgets, you can choose yours. Click on here and see your widgets, what you added. Turn off and on your screen, then long press on your lock screen. Click on Add Widget. Add widgets as per your choice. I add for widget. Once all the widgets are added, then click on Done. Here you can see animated widgets are added on your screen. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.